Hey, guys, today we're going to make a classic and comforting grilled cheese sandwich. For this recipe, we'll need some bread, cheese, butter, and any other ingredients that you'd like to add for flavor. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Take 2 slices of bread and add your preferred cheese in between them. You can use any type of cheese, from cheddar to mozzarella, and even experiment with combining different types of cheese. Add any other ingredients you like such as bacon, tomato, onion, or ham. Next, heat a nonstick pan over medium heat. While the pan is heating, butter one side of each slice of bread. Place the sandwich in the pan with the buttered side down. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the bread is golden brown and crispy. Flip the sandwich over and let the other side cook until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown. Press down gently on the sandwich with a spatula to help the cheese melt and to get that perfect crispy texture. Remove the sandwich from the pan and let it cool for a minute or 2. Then, cut the sandwich in half and serve hot. And there you have it, a classic grilled cheese sandwich that's easy to make and always hits the spot. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.